Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you have any question like if you can use Zelle with Cash App and you want to use Zelle with Cash App but you don't know how you can do it, then in this video I'm going to show you each and everything that you have to know that how you can use Zelle with Cash App. So let's get into the video. First thing you have to do is simply here the first question is, can you directly send money from Zelle to Cash App? The short answer is no. You cannot send money directly from Zelle to Cash App because they are two separate competing peer-to-peer payment platform. Then how you can just do it? So here is some workaround that how to transfer funds from Zelle to Cash App indirectly. So if you can see there is no direct way, so we are going to figure it out in an indirect way. So indirectly, even though a direct deposit or transfer isn't possible, moving your money is still quite simple. The entire process relies on using a bank account that is linked to both your Zelle and Cash App profiles. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get an instant cash advance from your Zelle linked funds into your Cash App wallet. So the first step is transfer money from Zelle to your bank account. So once you have added your bank account on your Zelle, you can simply just click on the cash out or transfer these funds. For most major banks, this is an instant transfer, meaning the money should appear in your bank within minutes. This is one of the main advantages of Zelle, the speed of bank-to-bank transactions without a hefty instant transfer fee. Now, step 2 is add funds to Cash App from your bank account. Yes, here is the bank that should be common between these both platforms that will help you to transfer money from one platform and give you the money from another platform. So, once your money is securely in your bank account, open your Cash App. If you haven't already, make sure that same bank account is linked to your Cash App profile. From the Cash App home screen, tap the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your bank account to your Cash App balance and confirm the transactions. Just like the Zelle transfer, adding cash from a linked bank account to Cash App is typically instant and free. Now the funds are available in your Cash App to spend, save or invest as you see fit. So make sure the same bank account is linked with your Zelle account and also with your Cash App account. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.